pre-record the tunnel. And to get down there faster, I'll take that ride down. Yeah, by two-way. Three-way, actually, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Vinny, my cousin Vinny. Too close. Hey, thanks for watching. Just to let you know, I have 4 channels all together. All my content coincides with each other, so be sure to check out my channels so you can see the continuation of each presentation or live streams. My main channel is Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. The next channel is Multitask with Lizzo C. Food channel is What's Cooking with Lizzo C. There I do food reviews. I will live stream at home, some baking live streams. Check that out. And my latest one is Explore, Discover, Capture Day and Night Trips. So check them all out. Stay connected. And thanks for watching. Bye.